Good afternoon. My name is Jenny Paola Rondon. I am 22 years old. I live in the city of Tunja with my parents and my sister. I am a student of business administration. For this activity, I choose the option to talk about a hypothetical situation in the present. The theme that is chosen is the policy and its dilemma. With the election of the president, Colombia is in a great controversy. Do we really choose war? Was it better to vote for Petro? On the hand, Iván Duque generates controversy by pointing out that it is necessary to tax all the products of the family basket. While from another positions are those who think that if Petro were president, we would be another Venezuela. The continuous marches and the different proposals to revoke Duque mandate show that Colombians are not satisfied with the person they choose. Finally, all those who promote the campaign of Iván Duque and thus we should not assume the consequence of high mandate.